Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna deal with the new Lenovo Z5. It's a truly bezel-less smartphone with no notch and no chin. Previously, like iPhone 10, it has a notch on the top of its smartphone, and this is not like that. It's a new, truly smartphone with highly bezel-less, and it is covered with 95% ratio of its HD screen. It's not a rumor that it's a fully bezel-less smartphone. It was declared by the vice president of Lenovo, Chang, and its dimensions and the style of the Lenovo Z5 was fabulous and stylish. And there is a fingerprint sensor, and it's not yet confirmed whether it is gonna situate at rear end or front end. But it compulsory comes with a fingerprint sensor to this smartphone. The highlighted thing of the smartphone is battery. If you charge once the smartphone, it lasts for 45 days. It's not there in any of the smartphone. And at the critical stages of the battery, it automatically enables the ultra power saving mode. The unbelievable feature of this phone is when your battery percentage is of 0%, you can call and talk up to 30 minutes of the time. It's a superb thing of this smartphone. Coming to front facing shooter, there is no prior information that it locates on the front face of the camera because of the bezel-less. Definitely it will be there on the phone. Coming to the snaps which were shot on this phone are these. These are shot on Lenovo Z5 camera which were delivered from the company itself, and it is powered by AI. And coming to the internal storage of the phone, it's a mind-blowing fact that it provides a 4 TB of internal storage. Neither any phone delivers 256 GB of storage, but it delivers 4 TB of storage. It's a great thing. This perfect smartphone is arriving on June 5, and which means the launch of the Lenovo Z5 smartphone. Many tech geeks and me as well are waiting eagerly for this smartphone and what extra features are they going to integrate to this smartphone. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, like, share on my channel and my videos. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye buddies.